another video. On a little adventure today. We're on the way to pick up the trailer right now because we're gonna go pick up the C6 in Cali. We're meeting up with our mechanic. Shout out to homie Gios Performance. We'll pick up the video right there when we're picking up the trailer. Hopefully it goes good today. Everything should be good, solid. Let's get it. Alright, we're right here picking up the trailer. This guy right here. Fucking motherfucker. Good trailer. Damn, this motherfucker big, man. Alright, we're just made it right here to the spot. Fucking, it's a little bumpy. Over here though. Look, right here. Damn, this lens, my boy. So my boy, chilling you?
Aquí en el friazo.
I know. Shout out to my compa Gio. Got us right. Yeah. We. Yeah, my boy Gio got that good setup. Look at him. It is. We're not gonna show what's done just yet. Once we unload it, we will.
Time to play the game.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
That the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Well, we just dropped the car off.
Where's the casket?
We got home late yesterday, so we just wanted to sleep. So I did it today.
Oh, there's the first line right there. You said the drain plug was on the bottom, huh?
Yeah.
And it's in the engine bay too.
All good.
Oh, fuck.
Damn, I think I lost the stick. Wait.
Huh?
I think I left the stick over. In Cali, wait. I don't have it in my truck. So how you feel, dude? How was it when you checked it out yesterday?
Fucking blowing that shit back. We got my boy right here. Oh yes. This shit is insane. Wait, no, vybez. Shit.
Alright, y'all, so we're here at 6651. I went to go pick up the car when we're loading it on the trailer. I guess the exhaust never got done because they didn't really plan accordingly, and the guy left too early. And but whatever, we're here. The guy paid for the exhaust, so we're gonna get it done. The freaking mid pipe ended up coming off, hitting on the trailer ramp, and then these exhaust tips kind of decided they didn't want to get on straight, so we came here to figure that out. Well, get it fixed. So let's go see how much they charges and see how it looks. Oh yeah.
It's not a paid sponsor, but alright, so we're having a little technical difficulty right here. The exhaust shop, well, they didn't end up putting it right, so there's like a whole space on this side. Gap right here. No gap, my bad. Touching right here. So we're gonna get this whole thing fixed right now. We're gonna take care of it. We're gonna fix the whole thing and then the tips.
So we just gotta get the rear exhaust hangers since they're missing. Go bolt up out here. And he fixed it. See, it's not hitting here as much. But yeah, Bubba, get her done. Alright, y'all, so now we're here at Autodrome. Gonna get the little switch for the two-step.
Which one are you thinking?
Oh, we had one of these.
Yeah, that's the one that you have on your truck. Alright, we back right here. We're putting on the two steps. So that's how the exhausts are looking. The exhaust tips. So far it's good. Everything came out pretty smooth. Alright.
We got the two-step installed. Obviously the harness for the two-step goes connected to your coil packs harness and so on and so forth. Got ground from here. There's already a ground here, so I just ran it here behind the water expansion tank, and then right under this cover and straight under, and then ran it behind these covers right here, so you see the the 2 wires right here go in between the door bracket, blah blah, and then I ran it through here down to the switch, and here it is. I'm gonna drill a hole for it later down the road. So you get your power cable from this, obviously the 2-step because of your coil packs, and we tested it out from 3800 and between 4000. I can't remember what we had it set at before, but here it is. It's finally done. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe and share the video too. Much appreciated. What you got to say, my boy?
Shit. Shout out to Booster Garage. Okay.
I just took one wash with what's his name?
Mo Rex.
Mo Rex is the guy.
That's
all it took.
Bad influences.